In a remote village far up in the mountains, a man, unconscious, lies on a stretcher. The doctor, his forehead lined with worry, frantically dials a number facing back and forth. The signal flickers weak, unstable. The time is running out.
Doctor, please do something.
We need O negative blood at the hospital immediately. The patient won't survive without it.
Sir, we're out of O negative blood at the hospital.
We don't have time. Send the drone delivery immediately.
Doctor, please do something. His blood. He's not breathing.
I promise you, we're doing our best. Just hold on a little longer.
His blood pressure is dropping. If the drone doesn't get here soon.
Status on the drone.
The drone is near its destination. It will arrive any minute now.
Stay with me, love.
Press the ID. Now. He's coming back. He's coming back.
He's okay.
Technology saved a life today. That creeping scene you just witnessed was inspired by real-world innovation. Zipline, a company that has transformed healthcare delivery in the regions like Rwanda. Unlike our quadrocopter drone in the plane, Zipline's drones are far more advanced. They are fixed-wings RC, capable of reaching long distance travel and reaching the most isolated villages in minutes. This is not the future, ladies and gentlemen. It's happening right now.
But robotics isn't just about life-saving delivery, it's also about making our everyday life easier in the smallest of ways. That brings me to the smart dustbin. You see, in a world where we focus on grand innovation, we sometimes forget about the little things like a smart dustbin that comes to you instead of making you walk across the room.
Hey, smart dustbin, wake up.
Oh, do I have to? You keep waking me up at odd times. I was having the best dream.
Yes, you do.
Isn't that voice of reason as well?
Ew, that was disgusting.
There, efficient waste disposal with zero effort. Imagine school, hospital, offices having this as a smart bin. reducing litter, improving hygiene, and making more cleanup more convenient.
But robotics isn't just about convenience, it's also about competition and creation. Ever heard of battle bots? Students build powerful robots and pit them against each other in intense battles. It's not just fun, it's engineering in action. Speaking of engineering, ever heard of 3D printing? A revolutionary technology that allows us to create complex designs from prosthetic limbs to rocket components right here, layer by layer.
If you are curious about battlebots and 3D printing, you may visit our exhibit in the lobby. You will see student enthusiasts demonstrating this amazing technology.